Gold tried to trade bearish but failed to break past 1950 levels, the levels which I shared in the morning, that yes, if you sell below 1957 you can expect 1950 levels as a very good support. Precisely it has reversed from the same levels. And look at oil. See, oil before dropping, now it has achieved 73.5 levels. Now what to expect with the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis for gold and crude oil. This is the second update for the day. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now look at the hourly charts for gold. See, higher highs, higher lows. This means that it may try to retrace a little till towards 1965-70 levels. Possibility exists that it can try to achieve. Remember, 1970 is a very good support level. Now what it is trying to do after a sharp drop, this is still a retracement and it can follow up with a drop later. But right now it is looking upwards. It may try to achieve 65-70 levels. Possibility exists. The stochastic is back to overbought levels. And if you look at the MACD, this is trying to trade bullish. It is diverging here, looking upwards, and RSI is also trying to trade bullish. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also, if you look at, see, this was the bearish three candles, and this is the second green candle. Possibility exists that 1961, 65 and in fact 70 levels can be seen. See, higher lows, higher highs, which means in the near term it can try to hit 1965, 70. But remember, 70 is the level above which only little more bullishness is confirmed. A stochastic rising from the oversold zone, the MACD trying to cross over here, and it has just crossed over. And see, it tried, this is the second attempt, and now it is trying to narrow. So there is a possibility of a little rise before it tries to break down. RSI trying to look upwards, show a little strength. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, now if you look at the 3-hour charts more closely, higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen, trying to consolidate. And see, here also higher lows are seen, now trying to reverse. There is a possibility that it can try to achieve little more highs before it tries to look downwards. See, double bottom is formed and now trying to retrace a bit on the upside. A stochastic dropping here, the MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy entry. The RSI also trying to look upwards and show a little strength here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, now see, 1965 is a very good resistance. Higher lows, higher highs. First 1965 and then 1970. These two levels you should watch out for. After this sharp drop, it is just trying to retrace. And next time, whenever you see it trading below 1950, you can stay short below 1950 for sure. And you can expect a sharper drop there. The stochastic has reversed a bit, recovered a bit, trying to converge a bit. The MACD is still bearish, trying to cross over. It is still trading bearish. Once it crosses over, then only a confirmation of a reversal can be seen. RSI is also trying to trade comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, yesterday I told you stay short below 1980 and 1970 specifically. See, the candle is missing. This is an error in the chart here, but this was a red candle here, and today it has just shown a little swing. The lows are achieved. It may try to achieve a little highs before trying to drop. And see, if you look at it, is still giving you higher lows. It failed to break past 1940 levels. That is most important. Yesterday it went till towards 1943-44. Now again giving you higher lows here. So any point of time, yes, if you see trading below 1950, that is the time below which you can stay short. Else, as I told you on the daily charts, you can see this. It is trying to form a flag formation. Now this is a daily chart. You can see this rise, lower highs, higher lows. It is still trying to form this flag, and once it breaks out above 2000 next any point of time in coming days, consider this as a bullish reversal. So for the day, see, the stochastic is dropping. The MACD, interestingly, there is one point which you should look at, is MACD trying to converge at a slightly higher level. See the slightly higher levels here. Hence, this time a convergence crossover means further drop, which means that even if it tries to retrace, goes till towards 1965-70. See, it is still a retracement, as we saw on the minor time frames on the 4-hour charts and the 3-hour charts, that after a sharp drop, this is trying to trade or retrace a little, and the slope is different, and hence if it drops below 1950, certainly more bearishness can be seen there. Right now it is trying to look upwards. above 1961, 1965 and 1970. These two levels you should note out for. Possibly it can hit 1965, which is a very good resistance, and then 1970 levels. If it breaks past 1970, more bullishness may prevail, but you have to be cautious there. And from those levels, again, possibility of a talk tomorrow or day after tomorrow exists, but we have to right now limit ourselves. On the downside, a sell entry below 1950 levels is must. Below 1950 you can stay short and expect a further drop till towards 1940 and then 1920 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Now let's have a look at crude oil. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. My mentorship batch, 21st mentorship batch, starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Limited seats are available. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now see, in the morning we saw precisely 72.5, 73.5 zone, and it has precisely remained in the same zone. Now again back to 73 after dipping till towards 72.5. So yes, if you are selling here at 72.7, you can still expect 72.5 as a very good support, and if it breaks 72.5, stay short for 71.5, the next support levels. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is divergent, is bearish, it is still looking down. The RSI, which was overbought, has cooled down strongly. And if you look at 2 hour, now see on the 2 hour charts, first thing is it has got the support here. With that it has achieved higher highs. Now it is trying to achieve lower lows, and once it breaks past 72.5, certainly one can stay short for 72, 71.5 and below levels. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. The RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, now look at the 3 hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, it is still trying to show a swing, but most importantly it has breached the support levels there and went till towards 72.5, which is an indication that it may try to trade bearish later. But now you have to be watchful of 73.5. Any buy entries above 73.5 levels. The stochastic looking down, it was overbought. MACD trying to converge a bit. It is in green, it is in bullish. RSI is still trading near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, now look at the 4 hour charts closely. Very strong bullish candles, and now it is just trying to consolidate. It tried to breach on the downside. I will wait for a breakout above either 73.5 or below 72.5. In between this zone, certainly you should not take any position for this $1. Also, if you look at what it has done is, see this bearish channel and then this retracement. The slope is different here. And certainly once it breaks out below 68, this time it is going to give you a sharper drop for next one. Yes, on the 4 hour charts it is extremely overbought, and hence a little retracement on the downside cannot be denied here. The MACD is still divergent and bullish. The candle size is flattened. It means the bullishness is diminishing. RSI is almost trading near to the top there, near to the overbought levels. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, look at the daily charts. After a couple of retracement candles and with the sharp tail, we have seen a very strong bullish move yesterday, and see this time it has achieved higher highs, and it is trying to limit itself within this channel, and hence any breakout beyond 73.5, one can stay long for 74.2 and then 75 levels. Remember, multiple times I have told, any move beyond 75 levels should only be considered as a bullish move, and then beyond that it may try to rally hard, but chances are less. See, also on the downside the support levels exist, which is a 72, 71.8. very strong support exists there, and hence you should be cautious of that. Stochastic back to overbought zone, but look at the MACD. This is crossing over, this is divergent, this is looking bullish. And see, we had seen this in the past also. These levels, when MACD achieves, it tries to reverse a bit. RSI has come out of the bottom and now trading comfortable. So considering this, do not trade between 73.5 and 72.5 levels. Above 73.5, one can expect 73.8, 74.2 and then 75 levels directly, which is a very strong support level, resistance level. Hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Below 72.5 you can expect 71.8, 71.5, and if it draws below 71.5, it is going to give you very good bearishness, and a breakdown till towards 70, 68 levels cannot be denied there, if not today, possibly by tomorrow or this week. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.